Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video of an unboxing on Birchbox and GLOSSYBOX. I'm going to start with the Birchbox. So I purchased this Birchbox. I do a monthly subscription. It's £10 a month and £2.95 for postage and packaging. When you subscribe to them, you can pay monthly, or you can pay for 3 months worth, or 6 months, or 12 months. You can gift these as well, so you can get them for somebody else as a gift and pay for it up front. At the moment, if you sign up, you can use my code. You will get 50% off your first box, and you also get a full size, Smith & Colt lip lacquer, and that is worth £21. Also, students at the moment get 50% off their first box. So you have to do that by the 28th of February to have it for 50% off. Subscribing to Birchbox is good. You get 5 products. Sometimes they're full size, sometimes they're not. But you get them every single month around the same time. So it is quite nice to have a little box come through your door with new goodies that you haven't, gone out and bought. It's a bit of a surprise. You get 10% off samples. So sample products, you get to choose your own box. So sometimes they'll send you an email and there'll be two different types of boxes, and you get to choose your own design. The boxes come with a little card in them, and it just explains about the products, how you use the products, and how much they actually retail for. So I'm going to open this box and show you. So it's like a little drawer. Pretty cool because you can keep the boxes and recycle them and use them for something completely different. I just like to stack mine up because I think they look cute. So I'm going to go through the products and I'm going to explain to you exactly what they are and what the information on the leaflet says. Okay, so this first product that I've taken out is the Beauty Crop. You can't really see this, but it is a trio of eyeshadows. This retails for £7. It's a Birchbox exclusive. I'm going to read to you what it says here. Between layers of mascara and heavy slicks of liner, there's no doubt that the 80s were all about the eyes. In fact, the smokier the better. Now it's time to bring that drama into the 21st century with this collection of eyeshadows, packed with coffee extracts to brighten. Use all 3 for a soft, smoky finish, or individually to add subtle depth and definition. I actually like this product because, I take eyeshadows everywhere with me and they're always in big palettes, but these, they're colours that people use all the time. You can have a lot of different looks with these: cut crease, smoky eye, just a subtle look, and it fits perfectly in your bag. So there's that. So that was retailing for £7. This next product is Model Co Conceal and Correct. Absolutely love green concealers. When we think of beauty trends of the 80s, there's one thing that springs to mind: colour. This concealer might look like something reserved for your best Adam Ant impression, but in fact the green counteracts redness for a more even complexion. Just blend a small amount onto any areas of your skin that need a little toning down, and then apply your usual concealer or foundation on top. I love green concealers. I use them for my spots, I use them for the red patches on my face, and sometimes I use them even on the dry skin when I get it here on my nose, and it helps the foundation just stick in place. So this is great, and this is actually retails for £14. It's full size. Okay, the next product is Percy & Reed London Finishing Polish for your hair. This smells absolutely amazing. I actually have just been rubbing it on my hands so I can keep smelling them, but it is for your hair. So whether you were rocking a gravity-defying perm or a mullet, hair was a serious business in the 80s. Today this lightweight styler is packed with horse chestnut to keep your do in place without leaving it stiff or greasy, and sunflower wax for a gentle injection of moisture. Just work a small amount through the hair to smooth and define your finished style and add shine. Haven't used this obviously on my hair, but I'm going to rate it, and I'm going to say it's going to be great because I've got a couple of their other products and I absolutely love this brand. But this retails for £10. The next product is Lucetta Coconut Milk Hair Mask, nourishing and moisturising. It's free of sulfates, paraben and gluten, and it is colour safe for normal and dry hair. Testing your do into throwback styles may be fun, but between the hairspray and backcombing, your hair will likely be left in need of a little TLC. Enter this nourishing treatment designed to repair and restructure Apply generously to damp hair after shampooing. Leave for 5 minutes and then rinse away. The mix of fatty acids and vitamins will leave your strands soft, silky and protected, even for coloured hair. The full size of this retails at £32. But as you can see, it's small. It's obviously a tester, but it's a sample size product, but it's, you know, it will do. It's nice for a little treat. And the next product is Lacquer & Co. Be Lighter. RRP is £12 on this, and this is quite cute. I'm just going to show you if I can open it. So there you go. Haven't actually used it yet, but it does look really nice. Glowing skin is a look that transcends the decades, and this creamy combo offers just that in one easy to use formula. The peachy pigment contains just the right amount of shimmer to add a soft glow to cheekbones or build for a full-on pop to colour your cheeks. We think it works best when applied using your fingertips. Just blend for seamless radiance or layer for a more intense hue. Wow. So that is all of the products in the box. It says a sneak peek at your March. Choose BLAQ, so I think that's black, skincare treat. So I'm guessing that we're going to get one of these treats for free in our next box, and we will get an email to tell us that we can choose. Also in here I have another card, 10 free retro photo prints, just pay £2 delivery, so that's a nice little treat as well. Can't really see, but we always get little goodies in here. I do absolutely love the little products that we get. So yes, I'm going to leave my link down below if anybody would like to use my code to purchase this. You can also then refer your own friends. What do we get for referring people? So we get benefits such as money off our own boxes, we get extra little treats. It just depends on the month and what they're doing. So this time, you know, people I refer will get £5 to use on the Birchbox website for their products. So it's always worth referring a friend. So, you know, you're both getting something out of it and everyone's happy. Okay, now onto my glossy box. I absolutely love this box. I chose the design all by myself, and I just love this one. So yeah, these boxes are a lot nicer as well. They're quite big, and you just pop the lid off. And there was a bow, but I've obviously opened it. So now I'm just going to show you in here. These glossy boxes are my favourite. I do prefer these. These are £10 a month, and they are £3.25 for postage and packaging. So let's have a little look. So it comes with this cute little ribbon as a bow and a little sticker that you can just pull back. 9 times out of 10 I get better products in these, and also more full-size products. My last box was worth so much money, which I can review if anybody would like to see. I love the products in there. So discover the box. Let me just have a little. So again, just quickly, we get a little leaflet telling us about the products that we have in our box and explaining how to use them. A little Dear Glossies, a little bit of information about this month, and then some beauty news. How to spend your glossy credits. So refer friends, complete your surveys and redeem your glossy credit on beauty products at lookfantastic.com, which is an amazing website for high-end makeup products and beauty products. Or you can also spend the reward on your glossy boxes, so products from their website. The first product here is a mini size, it's 20 mils, and this retails for £14. Let me just tell you what it says. This mist instantly glows, refreshes and hydrates lackluster skin. It can also be used as a setting spray. This smells amazing. I wasn't too sure if I would use it either, but somebody told me yesterday that this is amazing. So yes, there we go. There's that. Okay, next we have a sleek Eye Divine eyeshadow palette. So this can give you a range of different looks from natural to dramatic, however you choose. I'm just going to open it and show you. I do love sleek products. I've got quite a few now. So it's in a nice little case. This is where I can't open it. Okay, so it's got a little thing that comes with it to tell you the names of the shadows. And the colours are absolutely stunning. I will swatch this at some point and I will put it out on my YouTube for you to see. But these are highly pigmented colours. and they look lovely. So yeah, that retails for £8.99, and this is full size, like I said. Okay, the next product, the next product that I have is the CA Gelology Top Coat. No, it isn't. It's just the mini Gelology. There we go. So this one says, say hello to this month's Discovery brand C8. I think I'm saying it properly, and if I'm not, you can just drop it in the comments. It's based in London and loved by Beyonce, Adele and Kylie Jenner, to name just a few. This fearless brand is renowned for its huge range of colours and powerful creativity. But most importantly, we love their no-response approach to animal cruelty. Your nail varnish is PETA, so PETA, certified and vegan friendly, with a gel finish. The polish allows flexibility to minimise chipping and provide up to 10 days of high shine gloss. This is the mini size, and this retails for £6. I clearly need to use it because my nails are a little bit messy, so I've just been waiting to show you guys before I actually open it and use it. This next product is a Steve Laurent Nude Pop Lip Tint. It's creamy and it's cruelty-free, hydrating and long-lasting, and this retails for £17. So I'm just going to open this and show you. Absolutely gorgeous packaging, love it. And it's actually a really pretty colour, so it's quite a nude. Looking forward to using that. So I will show you in one of my other videos all of these products being used, and I will review them for you. Absolutely love that. And this next product I am so excited to use because I'm hitting 30 years old in 2 weeks, and this is a Aqua Repair Facial Serum, 24 hour, and it's by Skin Chemists London. So this is full size, believe it or not. I know it's quite small. Suitable for all skin types, the ingredients in this serum work to infuse skin with vitamins and antioxidants to minimise redness and deliver deep hydration. £64. Wow, and we just paid £10 plus postage and packaging for this whole thing. I haven't actually tried this, so I just want to actually smell it, but it's cute. Can't even see in my light. You still can't see in my light. There you go. So it's got a little tab on it, but I'm going to open it if I can. Oh my goodness. It's open. Okay, so it's quite a clear colour, I think. Oh, okay, so I know that it's quite small, but you can tell a little goes a long way because this is quite a thick serum. Oh my goodness, £64. It smells like heaven. So good. Oh, it's really nice. I love this. I'm going to have to use this and review it and let you know exactly what it's like. But that just feels so nice and smooth. So that is my GLOSSYBOX and my Birchbox and all the information that I think you need without going into it too much and talking for so long. But thank you very much for watching. Please like for more videos. Please subscribe, comment if there's anything else you would like me to show you. I'm more than happy to. And if you would like to purchase this using my link, then please click my links below. I'll put them both down there for you, and I look forward to your reviews if you do them. So you'll have to pop your YouTube channel into my comments and I'll go and check it out for you. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube video.